Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part one, and I've got a unique topic for you. Unique in a way that this is a bit unusual topic. It's all about noise that we
Uh-huh.
have around us. Okay, so do you think your city is noisy?
Well, yes, my city is very noisy just due to the vehicles all the time, people in the roads. That is why I just irritable because of that.
Okay, just try to add a couple of sentences. And when they ask you a question, do you think your city is noisy? Take this as an opportunity to demonstrate good English. Right? For example, noise pollution is
It's
very
very
common in my city. There are several parts of the city. Some parts are close to industries, and there we've got industrial noise. On the other hand, some parts are on busy road. There we have traffic noise. So overall, I would say the noise level is very high in
high
my city.
city.
Just try to elaborate the
Elaborate.
points and go in different directions so that you could use different words and all that. Okay. Now, where does noise in urban areas come from apart from women?
Well, sometimes the noise come from
Comes from?
the transport,
Hmm.
like the big
Okay, listen
vehicles.
now. I tell you, I'm sorry for interruption. Say, first of all, the main noise comes from
From the
transport,
transport.
and then elaborate. Secondly, talk about second thing. And finally, some noise is related to aeroplanes and something like that. Okay, so answer again. Where does noise in your city come from?
Well, firstly, it's come from the transport. Like the roads are very busy, and that is why the noise come from that areas.
Okay.
And the other one is from like aeroplanes, because we live in the city like Lahore. There is areas like aeroplane is always flying
Around,
after
yeah,
around
they're the
like
airports.
1 or 2 hours after that.
Good, good.
There is and the last one is the
All
last
right.
one is all
The last one is people. They are very noisy. They
noisy and
always talk
all.
and all that.
They
Okay. Do
always
you
speak.
think it is important to be alone sometimes?
Well, I don't think so. It is important because whenever you feel loneliness, that it is not good. Whenever you alone, you feel some
Whenever
anxiety.
you are
You
alone.
are alone, you feel like depression or anxiety, and sometimes it will be benefited because you think yourself
Okay, this is present tense. So sometimes it is beneficial because you
for
can think about yourself, you
yourself
can
and
have your my
my
time when you are alone, something like that. Okay, so
yes
all you need is proper organization of your
of the
answer. Once your answers are organized, you'll be fine. And for that, you have to be familiar with these questions.
okay.
Okay, thank you. Now
Thank
let's
you.
go on. What do you usually do in your free time?
I'm listening music.
I listen to music. Whenever you use any object after listen, you got to add to. Right? So you can say, in my leisure time, I mostly listen to music and then explain. Okay? So what do you usually do in your free time?
I'm usually used to listen music.
Used to is not right in present. I usually listen to music.
I'm usually
Not
listen
I
to
am.
music.
I usually listen to music.
Okay. I usually listen to music
Good.
in my free time,
Hmm.
and also I'm watching some movies in
I
my free.
watch. Use present simple tense. Don't use present continuous. I am watching TV means now I'm watching TV. Okay, so use present sim. I watch TV. I watch TV means anytime. But I am watching TV means now you are watching TV. Okay, so I watch TV.
I watch TV, watch movies and dramas in my
All
free
right.
time.
Do you think you have enough free time?
No, I don't have enough free time, but at after dinner, I watch 1 to 2 hours TV before sleeping.
Okay, now again you're talking about TV, but my question is, do you think you have enough free time? So you should answer differently. Otherwise, if you repeat the same ideas for every question, your answer will be the repetition of ideas, repetition of words, and that goes down to band score 4.5, 5, and all that. Okay. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with your family?
I prefer to spend time with my family or my kids,
Okay, with my family and kids because.
because I am a working woman, and when I'm free, so at the weekend I am only free.
Okay.
So weekend I want to spend time with my kids and with my husband, and we are going outside.
We go outside.
We go outside and we eat.
This is better. Now gradually English is coming out. Okay. So don't worry, you need practice. Through practice, things will be fine. That's why I say brush up your English. Brushing up your English means try to improve the basics and try to answer the questions and all that. So in part 1, they will ask you questions like this. Okay. Thank you very much.